Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuel injectors, fuses, relays on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out. And you can also see where we guys buy most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, talking about fuel injectors, fuses, relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them. Quick thing, depending on the year model, you have two different types of fuse boxes in that Jeep Grand Cherokee. We'll explain about both. First, we need to open the hood facing the engine. On the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. If you guys have a 2014 to 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee, you have that layout. And if you have 2011 to 13 model Jeep Grand Cherokee, you have that layout. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here what we need to check, guys, okay, for 2011 to 13 first, let's cover that. We need to check relay K5. Right here will need to be checked, guys, relay K5. Then you need to check fuse J11, J18, M38, M33, fuse 24, 25. Check all these fuses if you have problems with fuel injectors. Now if you have 2014 to 2022, guys, here specifically we will need to check one specifically dedicated fuse for the fuel injectors, known as fuse number 64. We're talking about that 25 amp fuse right here. Now this is your fuel system fuse as well, fuse 70. Check these two fuses, guys, in that case on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Those are the main fuses. For the 2014 to 2020 you don't have a relay, but we'll recommend to check the relays for the ignition switch and the engine computer, because they control the fuel system as well. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model. They may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.